Hi, it's Laura with WTI, and let's just take a minute to talk about this multifunctional acrylic cake stand with its cover. So you can just use it as the traditional cake stand display. It shows off your creation beautifully, but you could also use it without the cover, maybe for your fruits and vegetables. It's got all these little different compartments, and then the center where you can put your dip or your sauces. You can use it for chips and salsa, a lot of different ways. Now, the other thing is you could even use it as a punch bowl if you really wanted to. Again, it's multifunctional. So for me, having a small space, I want something that I can use a variety of different ways, and this definitely meets the part. So it will display your items beautifully. It is acrylic, so you don't have to worry too much about it being too heavy. It cleans up really well. I really love mine. I'm glad I got it, and that's just my point of view.